Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 3 pretest. We're going to start just by doing a few of the questions. I'm not going to do all of them because I want you to be able to do these on your own. But I'm just going to give you a couple of them. That way you guys can see what you need to do. Okay, so we're going to get started. I'm going to do, I think, 2, 4, 6, and maybe 9. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 9. So let's start with number 2. Number 2, Rebecca was timing an experiment and determined that it lasted 56.83 seconds. Later, she discovered that her watch was incorrectly calibrated, and the experiment lasted 0.06 less than she had originally believed. What was the actual duration of the experiment? What you have to do, simply, when it's calibrated means it wasn't synced correctly. Okay, it wasn't correct. So it's going to be 56.83 minus 0.06. So let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. 56.83 minus 0.06. Make sure your decimals are lined up. Now we need to regroup because the 3 here is smaller than the 6. So we add 10, or put a 1 in front of it. And we take 1 from next door, and that turns into a 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay? Bring down your decimal. 6 minus 0 is 6, and 5 minus 0 is 5. Our answer is 56.77. All right. Let's go ahead and do number 4. It says, which of the following differences are equal to 56.75? Select all that apply. So A gives us 56.89 minus 0.14. Okay, and we know that it has to line up, or it has to equal 56.75. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 8 minus 1 is 7, bring down your decimal, 6 minus 0 is 6, and 5 minus 0 is 5. So A is one of our answers, because that equals 56.75. B is 56.72 plus 0.03. 2 plus 3 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, bring down your decimal, 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 0 is 5. That also equals 56.75. Okay? And I guess that's not a difference, so you just have to look at sums or differences. Looking at C. C is 56.72. No, I'm sorry. 56.02 plus 0.07. Well, I can tell you right now, 7 plus 2 is 9, 0 plus 0 is 0, 6, 5, 56.09. It does not equal 56.75. And you could see that right away with the 7 and the 2. Okay, 7 plus 2 is 9, not 5. Therefore, that cannot be the answer. And D is 57.9 minus 1.5. Okay. Well, 9 minus 5 is 4. Bring down your decimal. 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 0 is 5. 56.4. That definitely is not it. Okay? So it's definitely not going to be this one either. Oh, sorry, I keep doing that. Okay? And you could tell that right away, too, because you know that there's a decimal in this spot and there's no decimal over here. See, it's empty. Okay? All right, that's number 4. We're going to go ahead and do number 6. Okay? And I'm not going to show it to you guys because hopefully you have your study guides with you and you can see it. But it says Terry made $19.45 at work and he owes his brother $7. How much does he have left? You're going to be subtracting. Okay? When they ask you how much you have left, that's a subtraction. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down your decimal. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 12.45 is your answer. Okay? We're going to do number 8 and then number 9. I want to do one more with you guys. One extra one. Pam has $12.78 and wants to buy supplies for an art project. She spends $3.75, so we're going to take that off of this, on a canvas, and $5.28 on paint. How much does she have left? Well, you have to find out how much she has with this, and then use that difference and put it up here and subtract it to get your final answer. Okay? So let's go ahead and find out. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 7 is 0. Bring down your decimal. Have to regroup here. That turns into a 0. That turns into a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9, and that's a 0. So you have 9.03, and you got to subtract here. Right here you have to regroup. That turns into 13. That turns into a 9. And since this is as low as you can, this 9 here is as low, you're going low already, you have to borrow here too. That turns into an 8. Actually, not a 1. I don't know why I wrote 1. That turns into an 8. Because that's already at 0, and it's going down to 9, you have to regroup from next door, because there's nothing else that has. So you have to take next door once again. Okay? Because 0, that's as low as you can get. Alright, and then we subtract. 13 minus 8 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Bring down your decimal. 8 minus 5 is 3. She has 375 left over. Alright, let's do number 9, and then we're going to be done. Number 9 says, Stanley used a coupon for a toaster. The original price was $25.85, but he got $6.45 off. How much did he pay for the toaster? You're subtracting, because you want to say, okay, he took this off. How much did he pay? 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. Bring down your decimal, and you have to regroup here, because the 5 is smaller than the 6, so it changes to 15, and that changes to 1. 15 minus 6 is 9. 1 minus 0 is 1. And so he paid $19.40 for the toaster. Alright guys, I did a few of them for you, about half. Hopefully you can do the rest on your own. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget the test is tomorrow. So ask the questions before we take the test, and then we can get that cleared up. And hopefully you do really, really well. Really, really well. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.